time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping all night.
Rise and shine.
You cannot relate. I say you cannot relate.
Hey y'all, this is probably one of the first voiceovers I've done in a long time. Kind of nervous, but we gonna get it through, y'all. So if y'all haven't watched my previous videos and you're kind of wondering why the change of scenery, I am in the Navy and I'm currently stationed in San Diego for A school. And you know how the Navy works is if your A school is under a certain amount of time, whether you have BAH, kids, wife, husband, it doesn't matter. You cannot live off base because it's no point. Why would they give you a house and all that stuff and you're only here for 2 to 3 months, which makes no sense. So yes, y'all, I'm staying in the barracks. And with that being said, I have to make sure my room is straight, which I would have done anyway. But, you know, we have room inspections and all that type of stuff. So, yeah, this is kind of like my morning routine. Right now, I am trying to save all my videos so I can edit another YouTube video for you guys. Here we are, getting ready for today. Alright y'all, as y'all can see, it's almost 9 o'clock and I have somewhere to be at 10. So I'm going to do a very quick, very natural makeup look. Due to me being in the military, I can't have anything over the top anyway, so natural just always fits best with me. I don't really wear a lot of foundation. I kind of just highlight my areas with concealer, add a little blush, and those little things there. If you guys are curious about anything that I'm using, I will leave all of the products with their shades in the description box below. And if you guys would like a more detailed makeup tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will get that out for y'all as soon as I can. I got a lot of videos in the works right now, so I'm just trying to push them out due to my love for y'all. So thank y'all for rocking with me, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
I say you cannot relate. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Tryna put that on my plate. Think I'm going MIA. Put the blues all in that safe. Tell them niggas I don't play. Tell my shawty I need trust, and we ducked off to be your bae. Too grown to make a fuss, drinking my cup, I'm out the way. Tell my shawty keep it mean, tell my shawty keep it clean. And you got my back for life, I put your ass in that saline. And they know I pack a punch, and I turn your bitch to lunch and make your niggas bite the dust. I want cheese, you keep the crust, and your bitch want me, that's tough. And your bitch want me, I see why I engage just for the rush. And if I let you in on my life, don't be mad if you feel average. I just wanna make that sack, pick up my brody, I'm gon' pass it. If I ever said it's fuck you, then it's fuck it, we can't hash it. And we puttin' belt the ass, bitch, move them hands, gon' take these lashes. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Tryna put that on my plate. Think I'm going MIA. Put the blues all in that safe. Tell them niggas I don't play. Tell my shawty I need trust, and we ducked off to be your bae. Too grown to make a fuss, drinking my cup, I'm out the way. Tell my shawty keep it mean, tell my shawty keep it clean. And you got my back for life, I put your ass in that saline.
Alright y'all, so officially ready for the day. The outfit is nothing too crazy, y'all. Really, I'm going to finish working a little bit on my YouTube videos real quick. As y'all seen in the beginning, I was saving on my videos, so I'm gonna work on that really quick, and then we're gonna head out and look at these videos.
Tell them niggas I don't play. Tell my shawty I need trust, and we ducked off to be your bae. Too say Nasaline. And they know I pack a punch. And I turn your bitch to lunch and make your niggas bite the dust. I want cheese, you keep the crust. And your bitch want me, that's tough. And your bitch want me, I see my just for the rush.
I love it so much. I love it to freaking death, y'all. I've been wanting to get rid of my old car so bad. But right now I'm late to go get my windows tinted. So we're gonna go get it tinted. And then when I'm at that place after it's tinted, we're gonna do a car tour. I'm gonna show you some features and everything. Yeah, I just wanna thank the Lord because he's the one that was even able to bless me with this opportunity. I was planning on getting a Lexus actually when I graduated boot camp, but I could not find a Lexus that fit my requirements and what I needed within a good price without it having fucking over 60,000 miles on it. So this car was half the Lexus, all of the features. So I was like, why fucking not? Why not just get a car that has everything that I want and that is half the fucking money compared for me settling on a Lexus that doesn't have all the features that I want and paying double the money. But let's head to the place for the tents. And then we're gonna get more into the car tour later. All right, y'all, this is the before. I'm dropping my baby off. This is the before, y'all. Y'all can see it's see-through. Like, you know, we don't want that. We don't want that. I gotta go get a wash too. We'll come back when it's done.
I say you cannot relate. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Tryna put that on my plate. Think I'm going MIA. Put the blues all in that safe. Tell them niggas I don't play. Tell my shawty I need trust and we ducked off to be obey. Too grown to make a fuss. Drinking my cup, I'm out the way. Tell my shawty keep it mean. Tell my shawty keep it clean. And you got my back for life. I put your ass in Nasaline. And they know I pack a punch. And I turn your bitch to lunch and make your niggas bite the dust. I want you to keep the crust.
Almost try to get a thumbnail, y'all.
It's fuck you, then it's fuck it, we can't hash it. And we puttin' belt the ass, bitch, move them hands, gon' take these lashes. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Yeah. I say you cannot relate. Tryna put that on my plate. Think I'm going MIA. Put the blues all in that safe. Tell them niggas I don't play. Tell my shawty I need trust and we ducked off to be obey. Too grown to make a fuss. Drinking my cup, I'm out the way. Tell my shawty keep it mean. Tell my shawty keep it clean. And you got my back for life. I put your ass in Nasaline.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now that's what we call a tint. So my car is officially tinted, y'all. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but it feels so much cooler in here. So now, y'all, I'm going to...
That's fine shit material.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think that I'm gonna head back to base, y'all, and see what it is. Definitely gonna give y'all a car tour today, though, so just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I totally forgot that I need to go and pick up some Amazon packages. So it's 14:37 right now, y'all. I'm tired as fuck. I don't know why I'm so tired, but it's 14:37. The place is a few minutes away, so we're gonna go do that, and then after that, I'm going to go probably lay down, honestly. So we're heading to my Amazon package.
I said you cannot relate. Tryna put that on my plate. Think I'm going MIA. Put the blues all in that safe. Tell them niggas I don't play. Tell my shawty I need trust, and we ducked off to be obey. Too grown to make a fuss. Drinking my cup, I'm out the way.
What's good with it, chat? What's good with it? I'm at a gas station right now getting gas, but I ain't getting no sugar put in my tank. Ain't that right, Bass?
Best, don't piss me off.
That was good shit.
That was not good shit. That was bad shit.
Nah, chat, but
Are you still talking to chat?
nah, Bass, go ahead, dude.
Alright, chat. Finally back. I didn't think that I was gonna come back today, but I decided to come back and do this so I can hurry up and edit this video. But this is a cutter with my brand new car. Maybe I have to take like a little like thumbnail, like what you think best, like a little. Alright, y'all. So here's my car. Her name's either Princess or Black Widow. We don't know too much yet. And we're gonna do a tour. Alright. Here's the outside. We're gonna come around to the back. This is just gonna be like a quick one. And I'm gonna give y'all a more detailed one when I get all my accessories. Alright, so I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna show you all the cool things that I can do with my car really fast. And we're gonna go from there. Alright, y'all. So, right now, it says I have 89% fuel and I have 400 miles left. So, I'm gonna show you all the things that I can do with it. Put the little video like right here or something. But I'm gonna stand like right here. Alright, y'all. So the first thing we're gonna do is unlock the car. Or lock the car. We're gonna start the car. Alright, y'all. For now, we're starting the car. The car is started. And then we're going to unlock the car. Alright, doors are unlocked. All through the app. Cool. That's just something slight. We'll do more detailed video at another time. Alright, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear. Oh, there you go. The car is on. We're going to open it. And we're going to take a look inside. Alright, close the doors. Boom, here we go. The AC and everything already turns on automatically, but boom. So this is what the car looks like in the inside. I'm on the phone with my bestie right now, so y'all see that. I have heated seats, cool seats. I have wireless charging down here. I have automatic seats over here. I can't roll down my windows right now because I'm like 10. I get 38 miles per gallon and I get about 600 miles per tank. I've been riding around a little bit. And when I open up the door, chat, I don't know if y'all will be able to really tell, but my seat is gonna move. I see that. Boom. Easy access for me to get out. I have a sunroof that I can open and close, but of course, you know, I turned the car off, so right now I'm just going to bring this forward. This is what my seats look like. They're like a deep gray, and it says Elantra over here. The other thing is I have my LED lights right here, and they wrap all the way around, and I can change them to any color that I want. With the back seats, best! My headrest, oh no, he probably took it off when he was doing my thing. Got the power. The only thing that I wish I had is heated seats in the back, but it's okay. So that's what the back looks like. I'm gonna actually sit in the back, y'all. It actually is pretty roomy when you actually sit back here, I'm not gonna lie. For it to be an Elantra and for it to be a mid-size car, I guess. Not a full size, but everyone's underneath of it mid-size. It's actually pretty roomy in the back, and I'm 5'5", so of course, you know, you have cup holders and all that stuff right here, and then, you know, the regular stuff up there. And then, y'all, of course, you know, we have the trunk. You gotta make sure it's big enough to fit a person in there. Ain't that right, Bess? She said, hell yeah, y'all. And I like how it has this. I don't know how this is supposed to go. I think it's supposed to go like this. Trunk is very, very straight. So that is my brand new car. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys more in detail and more in depth when I get my accessories for my car. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's a 2026, brand new. It only has like 100 miles on there. Yeah, so if you guys have any, I don't know, questions or whatever, comment down below. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for this video. First vlog back. I have a lot more vlogs and a lot more things that I can do for you guys. So just stay tuned. And catch you guys in the next one.
Taking farther than Mexico. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you, shorty.